What's the importance of eating our natural food rather than having junk?
That question answers everything. Your natural food are the best. Your body understands vitamin E, vitamin C from your oranges, beta carotene A from your carrots, vitamin A. It understands these vitamins the way they are created naturally. So if you start bringing processed foods that contain, maybe it could have chemicals, it could have additives, chemicals that the cell does not know what to do with it. So Kate is taking all these processed foods that contain ingredients that are not natural. Instead, you interrupt, you disorganize the nucleus of your cell. I don't know how to explain this. The cell has a brain, and the brain is known as the nucleus. And like we said earlier, you need to feed that cell for you to keep healthy. You provide it with what it needs. So when you bring in foods that contain ingredients, this time around I'm talking about the additives, all these things that are non-food. When they get into that cell, they disorganize the brain, the nucleus. So the cell is not thinking anymore. It's wondering, okay, what's happening? What are we going to do with this foreign thing that is in my system? So what happens, it disturbs and disorganizes the cells. And this has been associated. Taking unhealthy foods to getting diseases because of that disorganization, when the cell is not thinking what to do with this new foreign things that are non-food that have been provided. That's a disadvantage. Another thing about processed foods and junk food, the only thing that they contain is high sugar, high fat, and toxins. And those are the things that you're trying to avoid as a person. Those are the things that if you look at any foundation of any disease that we get or any problem that we get with our health, there must be, you are taking excess glucose, you are taking excess fats, and all this is associated with junk food. Junk food also leaches your nutrients. It removes nutrients from your system. And the most nutrient that is removed is calcium. Calcium is very important, by the way, not only for your bones, but many other things. So junk food also not taken well because of what it introduces. It may leach calcium from your bones. It is high in cholesterol, and you're not feeding your body with any nutrients. The only thing you're getting is high energy, glucose, that is converted into fat, and then you're also providing toxins into that system. You disturb your cells, you disorganize them, and then you now start attracting disease. So that's the disadvantage of junk food. No nutrients at all. You only get carbohydrates, sugars, and fats. And these ones are the ones that, even when you're trying to lose weight, those are the ones you should avoid. So that's the downside, and also the additives and the chemicals that are put in it. So natural foods are the best. Give your body that carrot, give your body those vegetables. You'll see the change in your health. In fact, even just 2 days ago, I gave someone just an advice, a very elderly person, on what to take. They had not been feeling well for a while. And then I received a call, oh, I'm feeling better, by just introducing fruits, 4 or 5 servings a day, by just telling the person to drink more water, by just telling the person to take vegetables. And the person that's how it works. Just provide the nutrients that your cell knows. The brain of the cell, the nucleus will know, this is vitamin A, I need to protect the eyes. This is vitamin K, I need to work on the blood. This is calcium, I need to work on the bones. But when you provide non-food from the junk, the body does not know what to do with it, so you attract disease.